Good afternoon. In today's video, we're going to review the weather together. And if you remember, guys, when we did the weather wheel together, you learned about sunny weather, windy weather, and rainy weather, and what snowy and cloudy and so on, right? So let us review them together. As you know, first of all, we have to know that wind is moving air or air that moves. So when you notice that something is moving, it is because of wind, right? So if you're here, or you, Juan and Julia, when you go outside and it's really windy outside, your hair will move. You will notice that your hair is going to move. So that is what we call by air that moves. So it makes things, or yes, the wind makes things move, okay? And just like when you bring something and you try to blow, okay, hold on, let me show you. So when you blow away, you blow away or you blow in something, and this is the common, plant that we use air to blow it away. I think you guys know it, or you've already tried to do it before. So that's what you do. You put it here and you try to blow it away. So that is what we mean by like air that moves, okay? You notice that there's something that is moving because of what? Because of air. We can't see air, but we can see what air like causes or something. So we have to know that weather is what the air outside is like. So when you see the sun outside, you will know, or you can tell that the weather is going to be sunny, or the weather, generally speaking, is sunny. And when you see that there is rain outside, you will know that that the weather is rainy. And okay, let me show you pictures just to make sure that you understand what I'm saying. So here we have sun, right? And we have a bit of clouds, not that big amount or that big number of clouds, but we have sun. So when we have sun outside and, the atmosphere or the weather is calm and quiet and so on, we will know that the weather is sunny, or we call it sunny, okay, or sunny weather. So this is what I mean by sunny weather. And what is this? As you can see, we have leaves everywhere and they are moving. So air that moves is wind, right? So when we have air that moves and, everything is moving or blowing air or are blowing or blown away because of what? Because of wind. We call this what? We call this windy weather. So when we have wind outside and you can notice that things are moving outside, you will call it what? Windy. And let me show you this. When we have a big number or a huge number or a huge amount of clouds outside, we call it cloudy weather. Okay, so when you see a lot of clouds outside, you will tell your mother, "Mom, it's cloudy outside." Okay, and when you notice tiny drops of water falling off falling off from the clouds, you will say that the weather is rainy, right? So when you say that the weather is rainy and it's raining outside, you can tell that it is raining outside. So you will tell your mother, "Mom, it's a rainy day," or "it's raining." Okay, so how many types of weather have we have discussed like till now? 4. So sunny, windy, cloudy, and rainy. And also we have snowy. When we have snow outside, and everything is white and so on, and we can build snowman or make snowman or a snowman, you will call it what? Snowy weather. Okay, so that is what I need you to know about kinds or types of weather. And we have to know that they change from day to day and from month to month. So the weather keeps changing. It may be sunny today and it may rain like tomorrow and so on, right? Because of what? Also because we have also something called seasons. And you have to know that we have something called temperature. And if I ask you about the temperature, I'm asking you about the number. So is the measure of how hot or cold something is, sorry. So when we say it's 33 degrees outside, you're gonna know that it is really, 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 really hot. Like today, it was around 34 degrees. So when we say it's 15, it's not hot, it's cold, right? Due to the number. So when the number decreases, the weather is going to be cold, and when the number hold on, increases, it's going to be what? It's going to be hot. So which one do you think is hotter? The one with the 24 degrees or the one with 5 degrees? Of course, the 24 degrees is what is hotter. So we have to know that we have something called thermometer, and it is that tool that we use in order to measure temperature. And we have something called rain gauge, and we use it to measure the amount of water that has fallen from the sky. Okay, and that is what I need to know about this lesson, or specifically about this lesson, that we have many types of weather, and we can tell what the weather is like by noticing some things outside. And we have tools to measure weather as well, to measure temperature, and temperature is درجة الحرارة, okay, or how hot or cold something is in English. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a nice day.